I think this is our last play. I think so. I mean, we're pretty close.
We always lose.
Go.
There it is.
Score! Score!
Oh! Oh my gosh! Beautiful head! Oh, that was Bree with the header. That was Bree with the head. We're cheating, we're cheating, we're cheating. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Do it.
Let's go.
Oh, she was looking, she was looking. That's good, that's good. Spread it out, spread it out. Look for that entry pass. There we go. And we're touched. There she goes.
Come on, girls, work hard. Use each other.
hard.
You're gonna chase each other. Work. Nice job. Emma's got a great
Good work.
Emma's kicks are really nice.
Yeah.
Do they just do PKs? I don't think they.
We're tied. We've got a few seconds left.
Good work.
Go, Evelyn!
Go.
In there, let's go.
Go. Score. Oh,
Get on it, girl.
come on. Good work. Go. Go. Go, Trent. Oh.
Oh, they're feeling it.
We can do this, Evelyn!
Go.
Trinity, Avery. There it is. There's take it as soon as you got it. Take that left. Oh. Aspen recovery. It's 2-on-2. And easy stop by Trinity. Oh, they still have possession. Don't lay off. See with a step. Ah, crap.
Go, Trent.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Keep working. Stay. Keep her out. Stay close. Stay close. Help. Help.